Hey guys, long time no see. Do you even remember me anymore? It's been like 2 years since my last video of anything scrapbook related, or maybe it's been a year. I don't know. It's been a while. Anyway, we are in my craft room, master bedroom retreat, and I really want to get it clean and change the desk out, because what I have here is the Expedit, I don't know what it's called. Like, they were the desks that attach to the Expedit. I think it is compatible with the Calyx units now, but I don't think they make Expedits anymore. They renamed it to Calyx. It's the same thing. I don't know why they renamed it, but I want to reorganize it and change it, because I realized that I think I do better scrapbooking and card making and doing anything crafty, scanning up. I feel like if I'm sitting, all the stuff just piles. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the status of my desk currently. This is the little space that I have to work on. I have crap on this side, crap on this side, all around. And I just need to, and crap on the floor. Like, I don't know. It's just 20 years plus of accumulated things that I need to go through and get rid of, or purge, or destash. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just need to organize it first and pray for me that this is gonna work. It's a lot of undertaking. My husband says, I said, I don't want to do it. I put this off so many times, like, because I have other things to do. And he goes, well, how do you eat an elephant? That's my favorite saying. Well, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So what I'm gonna do, my plan is to move everything out into the hallway. Not everything, the stuff that's on the desk. I'm going to post the desks, because there's two of them face to face. I'm gonna post them on, I don't know where I'm gonna post it, next door. No, not next door. Facebook Marketplace, maybe? Or maybe I'll post on Facebook Marketplace first, and then if no takers, I'll do buy nothing on Facebook. Just get rid of them. I just think that these don't work for me anymore. We'll see.